Welcome to the Playbook for Amazon podcast. I'm your host, Jeff Lieber, and the goal of this podcast is to share what's working today that's helping my company, Turnkey Product Management, sell over 8 figures per year on Amazon for our clients. We will share with you the actionable steps, systems, and playbook that you can plug into your business to boost your sales on Amazon. Let's go. No matter how amazing your product, how phenomenal the price, or how finely composed the listing is, one of the challenges that any Amazon seller faces is listing visibility, people finding your products. They can't find it if they don't know that it exists. In this episode, I'm going to tell you one of our favorite ways to get that visibility, and it's using Amazon's coupon clippings feature, and it's a great way to get your visibility and your sales up and moving. Let's dive in. Traffic. It's what we hate sitting in on the freeway, and it's also what we need before we can get a bunch of sales of our product. It comes before the sale. If someone doesn't know your product exists, they can't buy your product. There are many, many ways and strategies to promote traffic to your product listings on Amazon, and one of the most underutilized and incorrectly used features is Amazon coupon clipping. So we're going to talk about that today, and if you haven't tried it, I think you're going to enjoy this. When you use coupon clippings, it saves the customer money so that they can seal the deal and want to go grab your product because they know they're getting a discount. And it's a great alternative to just discounting your product price, right? Discounting your product price, I don't recommend that for a lot of reasons. It's better to run a sale, whether it's a coupon or a promotion, something like that. But when you just simply drop your retail price, one, not all customers that are visiting the page that day, they may not know what the price was yesterday. So they may look at that and be like, oh, okay, this product's $12. Great. But, they may not know that it's on a super sale or they're getting a good deal. So a lot of Amazon shoppers, they want deals. They want to know that they're getting a deal, and this is a great way to do that. So Amazon has recently, they've been increasing the exposure of these coupon clippings for a while. So they're kind of bringing back the old-fashioned style of coupon clippings when, it was probably even before I was born, but I kind of remember seeing them where there was I think it was sections of the newspaper or just, physical paper ads where it was coupon clippings, and you would literally take scissors and cut out which coupons you wanted to clip out and save, and you'd put them in your wallet or in your purse, and you'd save them up for when you go to the store, and you'd use your coupon clippings. So this is a virtual way of doing that. And kind of funny thing, actually, just what made me want to do this episode was just a couple weeks ago, I saw on the front page of Yahoo.com, which is a huge traffic, high traffic, news page. And it was one of the top stories. At the very top was the title of it was something like Amazon's little known future to get better deals or to get coupons. And I clicked it, and sure enough, it was an article that was geared at consumers, telling them, hey, there's this page, and that if you didn't know about it, it was telling all the customers and all the readers that you can go to this page and clip coupons and save them for later, and I would honestly bet that probably Amazon is the one that wrote that article, or they had someone write that article for them. And so Amazon is really pushing this, and so that's a really great sign, and they're increasing the visibility and the traffic and knowledge of this all the time. So that's why if you've never tried it, I would say it's definitely worth a test and see how it goes, because a lot of our clients at Turnkey definitely have a lot of success with it. So it might help if you get a visual and see what it actually looks like to customers, so you can see what the opportunity is. Go to Amazon.com/coupons. That's it. Go there. And I got it pulled up right now, and Amazon's always changing it and improving it. So, it might be even better and stronger at the time you're listening to this. But when I'm on this page, it looks awesome. There's just a bunch of products there, and I can scan through and scroll through, and there's a lot of variety, and I can just click coupon, and it will save it to my account for later. And it doesn't mean I bought anything. I'm just saving it for later. And they've also, this is this is how they're evolving it. They also have all the product categories list on the left-hand side. So that's huge, right? So a lot of people will be like, oh, I don't, this is too many. So I'm interested in lawn and garden, right? I'm interested in looking at some gardening stuff. And so if that's who I was as a customer, I can click on that and it'll filter for all of the lawn and garden products that have listed coupon clippings. And so you have to create those coupon clippings in order to show up here. And if you're not doing it, your competitors are doing it, or some of them are, and they're getting all of this free traffic, right? Customers are going to come here more and more and clip coupons, and they're going to shop based on what's showing up here, thinking, well, I got a good deal, so that's why I'm going to buy this product. So it's an interesting thing because it takes less importance away from having a ton of reviews and having the best product, looking page relative to your competitors, because some people may buy just simply because they were able to clip the coupon for your product and your competitor wasn't doing it. So that's really a reason enough, I think, to test it and see how it goes. How do you set up Amazon coupon clippings? Well, in Amazon Seller Central, it should be under the advertising portal at the top. If you hover over advertising or click on it, it should bring a drop down. It should show up there. It might show up in your promotions as well, depending on your account. We've seen a few different places. And just go click into it. And you're going to need to set a budget for the clipping. And the budget will be both for the US dollar equivalent of the discount you are offering and the fee that Amazon charges you each time that a coupon is redeemed. So currently the fee is set at 60 cents per redemption. But at the time of this recording, how it works is just because someone clips it doesn't mean that you pay 60 cents. You only have to pay that redemption fee if someone then purchases the product and actually buys it. So that's the beautiful part of this, is that Amazon's being fair to you and not charging you just for someone clipping it and not purchasing. Once your budget has been set and the coupon is up and running, once that budget runs out, the coupon will automatically be deactivated. And so you can always either increase the budget or you can restart and start a new coupon clipping again. And so, those are just some things to consider. So to recap, we have seen an incredibly strong ROI with this strategy with a lot of our turnkey clients, and we hope that it has the same effect for you. Again, it gives you not only the fact that you're on a new deals coupon page on Amazon where there's thousands and thousands, probably millions of shoppers by now that are scouring those pages, clicking into your product categories, and they're either going to choose your competitors or they're going to choose yours. And if you're not there, they're definitely choosing your competitors. So absolutely make sure that you test this out and then measure, how did it go? How did that work? Did we see a boost in traffic and sales? And if it works, this is something you can do over and over and over again until it stops working. Next, this is actually one of the growth strategies that we included in our new Growth Strategy Accelerator course, and where we have the detailed step-by-step standard operating procedure on exactly how to do it, how to maximize it, as well as a training video. And we try to make it so that you can hand it off to literally any team member on your team can follow those steps and do this for you so that you don't have to do it if you're the owner of the business. We'd love for you to check that out at turnkeyproductmanagement.com if that's of interest to you. But thank you for listening to this show. Please subscribe and leave a review. That always helps us so much and makes us know that you're out there listening. Let us know your success stories and hope that you go apply this knowledge and get some great results. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.